I'm gonna run some codes on this old 87 Chevy pickup. It's mine. It has a small computer because it has throttle body, like fuel injection, but it's running really bad. So I'm gonna do the paperclip method that I learned 30 years ago. Paperclip, and you insert it right underneath the steering wheel. Get that camera right, and you ground these two like that, and it's grounded. That puts the computer in diagnostic mode. So we come up here, put the key on, but do not start it. Now, as you can see, sorry about the thumb, it'll start flashing. One light, two lights, meaning normal. It'll do this about 3 times before it gives you a code. That was 2 lights, 2 at a time, means the code 22. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So even these old GMs can help you. And 22 is throttle positioning sensor, which is probably why I have this sloppy idle. I hope this video helped you out. And remember, pull the paper clip before you restart. Yoink. Probably can't hear it, but there's an engine light and it's running like an old piece of junk. Thank you for watching.